Yon Sel Lanmou means one love in Haitian Creole. At Yon Sel Lanmou, we use love and the hamster disciplines to create a sustainable society in Haiti. What is hamster? Hamster expands the traditional STEM disciplines by adding the humanities, arts, and recreation. Applying the hamster disciplines led to the creation of 3 Bays Marine Park, giving environmental protection to 90,000 hectares of coastal habitat, including the resting ground of the Santa Maria. Yon Sel Lanmou is building an aquaponic facility in Quadrique. We teamed up with musicians to teach people how to avoid cholera. Yon Sel Lanmou is planting edible forest and establishing a new community at Village Mosaique, which will be home to 130 families who are still displaced by the devastating 2010 earthquake. Yon Sel Lanmou is building a recording studio in school to educate children, record and teach music, and continue our efforts in the hamster disciplines. Learn more about our projects at yonselanmou.org and please support our efforts. Thank you.